welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Today I'm gonna be unboxing my new Dior bag. I've been waiting for this bag for 6 weeks. Thank God it's finally arrived. Now if you watch my previous video, you know that I like to do real unboxing, just like this one, that I will see the bag at the same time with you guys. So I'm pretty excited. Now let's open the box. If you're wondering why do I get this kind of box, it is because there is no Dior boutique in my city where I live, so I need to order the bag from the different city and have my SA send it over to me. It's free of charge though, which is a great service of Dior. Lots of paper. Yeah, it is. I think you guys can get it from the handles now. It is a Christian Dior book tote in blue color. It comes in burgundy and green color as well, in the same iconic Dior oblique pattern. There are also limited edition in embroidery, portraits pattern, and different materials like leather as well. The reason why I picked the Dior book tote over the other tote that is on the market right now, it is because I can get it personalized. It is my name. You can pick up to 30 letters. It's an optional and extra cost. You can purchase the bag first and decide later whether you want it personalized or not. You can always bring the bag back to the boutique and request to get it, and they will send the bag back to Paris and get it done for you within 6 to 8 weeks. There are some boutiques that have personalization service section in the store where you can get it done right there. So I suggest you to call your nearest Dior boutique to see if the service is available, but it's not available in Australia. The personalization costs 320 Australian dollars and the bag itself costs $3,800 for the large size. Let's have a look inside the bag. It comes with the book here as well, of the collection. Yes, pretty heavy one. Okay. Now let's look inside the bag. It's pretty structured bag. It keeps folded out. Look inside, there's nothing inside, no pocket. It's just a big giant space. I think I'm gonna get the bag organizer to protect the interior of the bag when I use it for grocery shopping, and to get a zipper to keep my stuff from falling out when I'm traveling. Take a look closer to the bag, to the fabric. It's soft, velvet, luxurious in person than in the picture. I even bought a limited edition cushion to match with the bag. But it's made from different material though. The bag is more like a fabric, velvet, but the cushion is more like a canvas. Let's try it on. I think it's a little bit uncomfortable over the shoulder. Even I have small shoulder and the bag is empty, but still uncomfortable. I think it's designed to wear over your cockle of your arms or to wear on handles. At first I wanted to get a small one, but my SA recommended me that the big one would look better on me because I'm tall. For your reference, I'm 177 centimeter. So if you are smaller than me, I think the small one would look better on you. But anyway, it depends on what you are going to use it for. If you lifestyle, like to carry so many stuff, then go for a big one. That's it for this video. I hope it helps you if you're thinking of getting one, and I will see you